Assalamu alaikum my dear viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I am presenting how we can use eggshells as a fertilizer for any types of plants. So let's see the process how we can make it. First take eggshells, let's smash them. Use this to smash the eggshells. Now take another pot. Now use it to the plants directly, and you can use this type of eggshells twice in a month, and it's very useful for the plants. So viewers, I think after watching this video, you can use this type of eggshells as a fertilizer for any types of plants. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you very much.